welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Guy and I am the Softwash guy. I specialise in render cleaning by the process called softwashing, which is using chemicals and low pressure hot water to treat and remove the living biofilm of algae, mould and bacteria that stain and discolour buildings. And my channel really is to showcase what I do and to show you the great places that I work in. So I hope you enjoy. Good morning. Today we're in Leyland, which is just outside Preston, and we've come to Softwash a farmhouse. What we're looking at. So this is the front of the property, and you can see that there's quite a lot of Trentophilia, the red algae, in here. Yeah, there's quite a lot going on up there, and then down the bottom. There's a little bit of missing render here, but the customer knows that, so he knows that needs repairing at some point. But that's what we're looking like. We'll put a chemical on it and then we'll hot wash it off. So we're doing this, and then we've got on the side. We've got the front of this. I only want the front of this building doing as well. So let's see how we get on with this one. So we start off by soaking the walls, and this really is so that we're not using too much chemical, otherwise with it being absorbent it would take a hell of a lot of chemicals. So you can see that it's already starting to react to the chemical. The Trentophilia, the algae, goes a brighter red or pink, and you can see it's starting to take effect. I'm often getting asked why I brush the chemical in rather than spraying it, and the reason is that I don't really want overspray, so in other words chemical blowing around in the breeze. So by brushing it I can adjust the amount of flow, and I can stop the chemical blowing around everywhere. This first rinse is low pressure hot water at 60 degrees, and this is to remove the dead spores. We'll then apply another chemical treatment and then we'll have a final rinse. So we finished this property now. Sam's just rinsing off the barn there, what we did, and I'll show you how the front is looking. So the stain is gone. We treated the lead so that will go back to its original colour. See, it's drying all the time, so it's going to keep getting better. Yeah, really pleased with that. So another successful job. So really pleased with that one, and if you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.